So of everything of this kind, 11:30 in the morning. Okay?
Where is Farouk?
Africa 1 tours and travel. Where are you?
Hello?
Yeah.
According to the orders, for each one by one, okay, you can only go to order.
This for you? This for me?
Hi. My name is Mahmoud.
Mahmoud.
Yes.
From where?
Yes.
Area Egypt. Oja buterevu mu kifo kino n'olaba embeera efaanagana ng'eno oba n'ogi experiencinga amawanga ag'enjawulo abantu ab'enjawulo bajja mu Egypt muno ne beautiful, marvelous. It just looks kitwandigamyenga ekintu ekisukkulumu ennyo kyotayiza kubuusa maaso bw'oba ozzeeko mu ggwanga erya Egypt n'otajjaako ku kifo kino, I'm telling you, toyina kyokoze tolamu baaba ono ate w'amaanyi. Ono w'amaanyi baaba. Bakaabya kyekyo eno walungi baaba ate bwa tabu. Kino ekibuga tekimanyi na Cairo kunyirira oba yono Cairo mupya gwe baatugambye. Swiss Hotel Sharma El Sheikh. Tutuuse kibuga ekyo Sharma kyetulimu baaba labalabalaba oluguudo balwoza n'olwoza all the time. Sharma El Sheikh.
Welcome to Sharm El Sheikh. Welcome to the city of peace. This is the name of this city here. And at the moment we are very close right now to the hotel. I need please all of you to gonna get ready and prepare yourself. And I would like to gonna just tell you right now, okay, regarding to what we were going to do. Now, whenever we're gonna get down, please just carry all of your, okay, carrying stuff, all of your, you know, handbags and so on, and your luggage, just leave it, okay? We need to just go and run now, okay, to gonna get our lunch, okay, over there.